Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I want to show you another way to find what's selling right now on eBay. So let's launch straight into it. For this week's video, I use eBay Australia, but this works the same in every country. So first of all, eBay always shows you the top performing categories. At the top of the eBay homepage, eBay shows the top categories as I've marked with arrows. The category on the far left, in this case fashion, is the top performing category today on eBay Australia. As eBay always sorts the categories from left to right. Whichever category is on the far left, that is the top performing category in that country. In this case, eBay Australia or ebay.com.au. Now to find what's selling right now on eBay, choose any of these categories. For this example, I'll choose Home and Garden. After you click on Home and Garden, you can drill down into any other category on eBay, or you can just do what I've done for this demonstration, and that is scroll down until you see the checkbox for sold items, which is down on the left hand side. Once you click that sold items checkbox, now eBay will only show you the items that have sold. You can tell they've sold as the prices are all now green. In the land of eBay, when prices are shown as green, that means they've sold, and eBay will also show you the date and time that they were sold. You can also filter these results in many ways, including new or used products, price, location, whether it be worldwide or whatever. You can also sort by price, date, etc. Also, the sold checkbox is in every single category, so you can quickly see what's selling right now on eBay in any category without needing to use any third-party software. If you prefer though to use third-party software to see what's selling right now on eBay, I've got another free video showing how to do that. I'll put a link on the screen and below. That's all for this week. Please scroll down and leave me a comment below. Until next week, list more, sell more and stay safe. This is Neil Waterhouse, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Cheers.